Maid. We're doing the more adventurous sound of music, but let's go pause here. You guys ready? Are you ready? Also, let's up the quality on that one. I hate when it says auto 1080 because it's never auto 1080. They're always lying. It's never auto 1080. Back out here. Like, can I get some like Spoons is doing? Can I get some Eagle Chan bounces in chat? Can we get some Eagle Chans in chat, please? Please give me some Eagle Chans in chat. I need to feel more confident. Please help me. I don't know if you're looking. No, I didn't say Noir. I wish Noir was here. I'd feel better. Why is Dylan being rebellious all of a sudden? Darn you random. All right, good. I just know you guys are paying attention. You ready? Okay, cool. Let's get started, yeah? So you guys kind of remember the trailer from beforehand, but now it's finalized. Look at it. Oh, wait, this is the second version. No, I wanted the first version because I wanted some better music. I thought it was part one. Wait, there we go. There we go. We're good. Everything's good. There. So welcome our new card, Berserker. Yeah? Welcome our new card, Mobster. And welcome our new card, Holy Priest. Check it. Check it. I'm going crazy. Holy Priest. I have throwbacks and I used to make special effects on PowerPoint. Bro, check it out, man. I can even do the freaking camera zoom. I forgot I can use Blender. I freaking love it. You can get to go past all the characters. This kind of reminds me of like Danganronpa on the island because those characters are like flat 2D when you're going around stuff. You're going through all of them, the fire change in the background. Is missing a waifu with a gun? Sir. Sir, is that an UMP9 in her hand? I think that was a 9. I don't remember if it was a 45 or a 9. Sir. So let's get over to the showing of these characters. Yeah. We got over here. All right. So I'm going to slowly move over to the side. These card arts. I love rifles. All right. So we're going to go over to the side. A long rifle. You might get one later. Hey, stop being picky. Say thank you, streamer, for the one you got. And then maybe you'll get one in the future. But you're not going to get one with that attitude. All right. You ready? So, within my game of Empress War, basically what's going on is we have a bunch of characters that are being summoned by you, the player, who have been dropped off on this island and is now forced to get to the top. You and said Empress character are trying to basically get your way up. It's not you. It's the darn NTR autogranting me. Are trying to get up to the top of the island basically to be crowned Empress. Whoever gets crowned Empress basically gets one free wish for whatever they want, yeah? So it's your job and theirs to try to get up to the top, yes? I felt like Kazuha. Now, the cards that I've introduced are not like the playable characters here. Oh, oops, I guess that was not the way to do that. Are not like the playable cards that we already have here. Each one of these characters are not an Empress, yeah? They are not a winner of the game currently. They are currently relying on you to try to get them up to the point where they will be an Empress. However, now in my game, shout out the Yu-Gi-Oh! Idea. I thought this was really cool. You can now summon 3 Empresses who have already won the Empress game beforehand. But there's a catch. So, you have a team of 3. You can bring 1 Empress card. If you use the Empress card, you have to sacrifice 2 of your cards. So now you're stuck with 2 characters versus 1. However, Empress cards are slightly more broken than the normal fighters that you have. So you have to decide if you just want to run a normal team of 3 and then basically just go at it, or if you're going to sacrifice a little bit to try to get more. Empress cards can't use support cards because they'd be a little too busted. And they also can't use item cards. So when you chuck them in, you're chucking them in. You're believing in them. They're empresses. They have to be able to stand off their own ground. It can't just be, they're not like the rest. Yeah, they're not like the rest. So I believe our first Empress card is the Berserker. So we're going to go over here and give it a look. Yeah. So Random brought up an idea beforehand of something closely to his common writer. Shout out to you, Random. Shout out to you, Random. And I wanted something that reminded me a little bit of Ryoko, because she does look like Ryoko, from Kill la Kill, and a crazy claw character. So here we have our Berserker. Her ability is called Endless Assault. In my game, there's a combo system. Because she's a Berserker, she automatically gets 3 combos. So she'll automatically do like 120 damage. She's super dangerous. The thing is, though, every turn she basically loses a little bit of health, so she loses 20 health. But her heavy attack also like allows her to attack other allies, or to attack your allies that are benched. So she's cracked. Yeah. However, the thing is, if you end up switching her in on a character that's already built out, or if you switch her on a defense, she can still get messed up. Yeah. However, she's like an insane attacker. After that is our next, the Empress for our defense. Our Holy Priest. I think this might be outside of the, where is it? Outside of Onmyoji. This is probably the fanciest design I've ever made now. The Onmyoji was probably the other one, but now this is probably the most like elegant, free-flowing design. Yeah. So Holy Priest has 300 health. She's equivalent to the Maid on that end. However, she gets a crazy thing of halving all the damage taken and heals every 10 or 10 HP every turn. So she's like a super tank. She's got a light attack for 25, and her heavy attack still hits pretty hard. The opponent can't switch if she hits her heavy attack too, as well. So they're gonna be stuck in there with her, which I'm sure there's quite a few of you who'd probably want to be stuck with a woman like that. So it's okay. Don't worry about it. But yeah, no. So that's our emblem again. Or is it our emblem? That is our Empress for the defense side as well. Oh, chocolate priest, he said. Priest. Oh my. And last but not least is our Empress of Range, our mobster. Yeah. I'm sure you can tell where the inspiration of this character came from. And that was also mixed with a few other fun characters from Nikkei that I enjoyed. Mobster has 180 health. Her ability is called Rigged Game. So once every 2 turns, you basically have to re-roll for your combos, and you have to pick the lowest combo if she's out. Yeah. She also applies burn for like -20 for 2 turns, and as well, if the opponent has a status effect, so like has the burn on them, she'll do double damage. Rosanna plus Mix, and a little bit of Moran in there too, and with the UMP9. Or 45, I can't remember which one, but she does have a gun. So we have Mobster, we have Holy Priest, and we have Berserker, who are now the 3 new additions to the cards. Again, they'll cost you, and you can't heal them. Yeah, they are Empresses. They've already won the game. You can tell by the little gold emblem on the side. Yeah, Empress cards. Empress cards. So if you decide to use an Empress during a round, you can use any Empress, mind you. Yeah. There's no, like, you have to run, as far as I'm aware, we'll see if the game's too broken where I have to do those. You don't have to run, like, 2 range units to use Mobster. You don't have to run, like, 2 defensive units to do Holy Priest to sacrifice or Berserker. The only thing you have to do is you have to get rid of 2 cards. You have to get rid of 2 cards. It's only now the 1 card you have left and the one that you summon, which is them now. So pretty cool. Also, if you guys check out the art, I want you guys to look at the backgrounds a little bit. They have special artwork. So for most of the characters here, they just kind of have the flame in the background with their coloration, right? Red, yellow, blue, red, yellow, blue, red, yellow, blue. Yeah. But these ones have special animations and special artwork, and they come off the border here. So here we have the Berserker. Her flames are basically going over the side. Yeah. Her claws are sticking out of it a bit. Priest, you can very much see the robe is flowing over. We have her hands and her hair with this like a little light ball with feathers falling down from it. I think that was like a really nice touch. And then Mobster, the explosion is literally coming off the page. Yeah. She's also got a giant money scythe. You guys can't really see it as much because the thing's here. So she's got a gun in one hand, and then she's here to collect her debts with another one. The scythe here says 24 for 24 karat. Yeah. Golden scythe. So, I'm really excited about it, man. This game is basically like it's done. I have the game system. It's just done. I have my rules already set up. I got a whole rule book. Hold up. I'll show you guys real quick. I had a whole rule system already done. I'm ready to print those out when it's needed. I honestly just need my print guy to tell me whether or not I'm going to be working with him for this or somebody else. The hardest thing with this is going to be the programming for the game. The game programming is going to be the hardest part. Can we go back? Yeah, just slap it on there. Thank you. All right. It's a butt. So where are we at here? Wait. Oh, that was art. I was like, what? Why you like that? So here we have the rules of the game. I have them all organized here. It's only like 3 pages. We have special rules for defenders, range units, and attackers. We have the Empress card rules. We have the status effects that we currently have in the game. And then after that, it's just a weapon triangle. And it's all in black, so that way it looks a little cooler. Yeah. So whenever you get the game, I'm just going to shove the rules in there with you. Gotta get the little Empress War emblem on here, too. We're here, man. We're really here. I'm really gassed up. And the cool part is, because I did this, like the video and junk, it now means I can add effects like this to fix them up, too. We can watch a quick little thing about, like, Danganronpa real quick. Actually, no, because I think A-Man told me he was playing it. Player remains is with Danganronpa. They have their characters kind of built up like this, where they're like two PNG images that kind of react and move. But now that means for like trailer stuff, or also for the title screen, or when I want to do like opening things, but I don't have the money for animation in full yet, I can still add this stuff and still pay an animator to do other things as well. So I'm just super pumped, bro. The next thing off the board is getting this physical card made, getting part of the card game made up, and then having fix them up, have its demo version. Oh my god. Man, I'm all hyped up. All right, question for you guys in chat. Out of the 3 that we have here, which one is your favorite? Go ahead. Is it Berserker, is it Holy Priest, or is it Mobster? Let me know. Also, does this change the way you think you were going to play my game? That's also another question. Was this going to change the way you think you're going to play my game? Right now, I think I was going to Mobster and Priestess, Holy Priest. I think I was going to run Brigand, Onmyoji, because I think she was pretty good, because I like having the like turn or no items being able to use by players. And maybe Bomber. I might be going double range and an attack unit. Just to put the pressure on people. And if I do that, I might run Priestess with it too. So, who knows? That's the fun part, man. These are like actually difficult cards to have to kind of like put together. I can't wait to see one of you guys break it and then made me real mad because I thought I did something. But yeah, Lee, this was like super easy. Oh my god, Holy Priest. I guess right now too, do you guys think you have? Do you think you know what 3 you're running? I'm obviously giving these out in sets. They're gonna have like characters already kind of locked. There's gonna be a set that's basically 2 attack cards and a defender, 2 defenders, and a range unit, 2 range, and then like an attacker. So it's gonna kind of go into like a triangle. And then if you want other cards, you basically just get the other sets, and that way you're just building out your deck. And I might just throw in with every couple of packs that you can possibly win an Empress. The only thing right now is I don't know when I'm going to be able to do like holographic cards. That'd be cool too. Holographics would be fun. Oh my god, my nose. Yeah. I'm happy. I think we're where all the cards are currently. I think I'm pretty happy with it. They all feel like they do a job without stepping into the other's grounds too much. I think the most cards are gonna have the most like presence are probably gonna be the range cards. Just because they're the ones that have the, like, what is it? Like, having to re-roll your turns, not being able to switch out if you get a good roll, no items being able to be used, taking more damage if you switch out. Oh, also, that's not the upgraded card. Hold up. My nose. Some cards got a little bit of an update. So, one addition to Bomber Girl now, because she was lacking a little bit more, is not only does she have the 20 switch now. Wait. Oh, did I not post that one out? I thought I did. Oh, well, I gotta go do that one later again. She's basically getting, what is it? If she misses her thing, she still ends up doing 10 damage out of big-headedness, because she's a goofy character. So that was gonna be a thing. But I guess I'll talk about that later. Is this the upgraded Maid card? Because it might not be. Gotta make sure I fix some of their text. I think this one's still jacked up. Yeah, it's still jacked up. But the normal card isn't. This is just the show of it. This isn't like the finalized version. I'm just showing the cards of those.